Today's video, I'm bringing you what I eat in a day, plus I'm doing a grocery haul from Aldi's and Walmart. So if you'd like to see what I buy and what I eat to stay on the WW Personal Points Plan, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm doing a what I eat in a day video, plus I have a grocery haul. I am going to go to Walmart to do a grocery pickup, and then I'm going to stop at Aldi's and pick up a few things so I can have a successful week ahead on the WW Personal Points Plan. I'm sitting out on the deck having a iced coffee, so that's how I'm going to start my day. And then I'm going to go in and make some breakfast. So come on along and share the day with me. For breakfast, I fried 2 eggs and I topped it with a piece of Velveeta cheese, so that's going to be 1 point. And then 2 points worth of a turkey sausage patty, and I'm going to put it on top of 2 pieces of rye toast, and that's going to be for 3 points. So it's going to be a 6-point breakfast sandwich, and then 1 point for my iced coffee. So there is my breakfast sandwich. Top it with the other piece of rye toast. Hearty 6-point breakfast. I'm having watermelon for a snack today, and I put salt on my watermelon. I feel like it makes it sweeter. Please comment below if anybody puts salt on their watermelon. I've done it for years. My dad used to eat it like that, and so do I. I'm gonna go take a ride to Walmart to do a grocery pickup, and then I'm stopping at Aldi's, and I'll show those to you when I get back. I have a quick grocery haul here for some breakfast and lunches. So I have my food that I like around. I got some eggs. I have a loaf of delightful 45-calorie bread. It's only 1 point each. I have some cracked pepper turkey breast from Oscar Mayer, which is 1 point for 3 ounces. I have my favorite Stoke coffee. I got some everything bagel seasoning because I ran out of that, and I like to add it to eggs and other things. Some shredded hash brown potatoes. Those are 2 points for 1.5 cups, or if you're on the free potato, they're 0. And then I have these Thomas's 100-calorie light multigrain English muffin. They're 2 points each. I like to use them for breakfast sandwiches or to make pizzas out of them. And I have this smoked lean white turkey bologna. This is 1 point per slice, or 2 points for 3 slices. If you like bologna, that is a really good choice. I like to make sandwiches, especially in summer. I have some chopped onions here. Makes it easy and quick to have onions to grill them. I have a packet of mushrooms, which I like to make with grilled onions if I'm going to make a burger or something like that. I mix them with onions, or I make an omelet. I have an avocado for avocado toast. I like to only buy them one at a time because so they don't get soft fast and get wasted. I have some bananas here and some carb counter tortillas. These are 1 point each, and they're great for wraps. I have a tomato in case I want to make a wrap or for my turkey sandwiches. And then in my quest to find another good apple, I have this one. It is an ambrosia. And this one, I forget the name of it. But I'm trying another different apple. I think it's the cosmic apple. That's what it is. And then I got a pack of Vidalia onions. So that is my small grocery haul from Walmart pickup, just so I have some breakfast and lunch items around. Okay, I have a quick Aldi's haul here. I got some white rice, which is 6 points for a cup. zucchini. I'm going to roast some vegetables. So I like to have zucchini, a bag of frozen mixed vegetables. I got these Fit and Active 20 calorie bars. They're in 3 fruit flavors. They're only 1 point each. So I've never had these before. Thought I'd try them. I got 2 bags of frozen shrimp, which are 0 points. A package of peppers. I got some vanilla unsweetened almond milk. Some asparagus. Long English cucumber. I got these ready to roast Mediterranean vegetables. I've never tried these before. They're 0 points. And this mix of ready to roast carrot and sweet potatoes, which are 2 points for 4 ounces, unless you have 0 point potatoes. I got a bag of carrots, some reduced sodium soy sauce for any Asian dishes. I bought some extra lean ground beef, 96% lean ground beef. So that's what I use in my beef recipes. Couple of boxes of long grain and wild rice mix, which is 6 points for a cup. A package of mini cucumbers, some asparagus, some marinara sauce, which I know I can make for 0 points, but this is easy to have around. And a package of sweet corn, which is 0 points for me. So that is a quick Aldi's haul to have some healthy food stocked up, ready to go. For lunch, I'm having a turkey sandwich on rye with tomato and avocado and a pear. And that lunch is going to be 5 points. 1 point for the avocado, 1 point for the turkey, and 3 points for the rye bread. And that Schwabel's rye is a good choice for low point. I'm going to have a couple of these Kit Kat Thins. They are 2 points each, very small. When you have a taste for chocolate, it's a good thing to try. I had picked them up at the Dollar Tree, but I don't think I would ever try them again. They're not worth 2 points each. Tonight's dinner is some chicken breast cooked in the slow cooker with some 98% fat-free cream of chicken soup and a packet of chicken gravy. And then I put a tablespoon of ranch dressing and cook it in the slow cooker. And I have some wild rice and some carrots sprayed with some, I can't believe it's not butter. So this is going to be a 7 point meal, 6 points for the rice and 1 point for the chicken and 0 points for the carrots. So that's tonight's dinner. I'm going to make a chocolate cherry muffins. I'm starting off with this Pillsbury Moist Sugar-Free Premium Cake Mix Devil's Food. And I'm going to add 2 eggs, which are in the bowl already, and a can of pumpkin. And this will save points because I'm not putting oil, and the pumpkin will give it moisture. And then on the inside of each muffin, I'm going to put some of this no sugar added cherry pie filling. And that will be my dessert for tonight. Here I combine the pumpkin and the eggs. Now I added the chocolate cake mix, the sugar-free, and I'm going to mix this together until everything's combined. I use a silicone muffin pan or cupcake pan, and I'm going to put some of the, I sprayed it just to make sure that they don't stick, and I'm going to put a spoonful of the chocolate mixture in each cup. And then I'll add a spoonful of the sugar-free cherry once I get these all done, and then top it with a little bit more chocolate. And when I have all these filled, I'm going to put I drop the pan a little bit like this so it spreads out the batter. And then I will put a a little bit of the cherry in each muffin. And that's what it looks like when I have the cherries put in it, and I'm going to top it with some more chocolate. And there's my muffins. I'm going to put them at the oven at 325 degrees for about 30 minutes. I'm going to check them, and then well, hopefully I didn't put too much batter in them and they won't overflow, but I think they'll be fine, so we'll see. There's my muffins when I took them out of the oven, and I will let them cool off and we'll have one for dessert. These are the muffins. They are so easy to lift out in this silicone pan. Nice big muffins or cupcakes. They're only 4 points each. After dinner, I went on a walk around the lake and I took a picture of the beautiful sunset sky. So I thought I'd share that with you. There's my chocolate cherry muffin cupcakes, and I sprinkled them with some powdered sugar, and that is what they look like. There's my 4-point muffin. It's got cherry filling in the middle. You could top it, I'm sure, with some Cool Whip. I don't have any. But if you ever want to make these muffins or cupcakes, you can use really any kind of box cake mix. And if you mix it with a can of pumpkin and a couple eggs, you can make mini muffins for 1 point a piece, or these bigger muffins. I'm also having it with a cup of coffee, so that is my dessert, and it'll end my night. So that's going to be the end of my What I Ate in the Day video. I ended the day using 28 points on the WW Personal Points Plan. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.